None of these videos were filmed. Nobody walked up to a stranger on the street. Nobody rented a podcast studio, and none of these people have ever been in the same room. And look, here's the deal. Seedance 2.5 just launched. So I got straight to work testing it because every time a new model drops, I go looking for the same thing. Which content formats it just unlocked that I can actually sell to clients. This time there were two: street interviews and podcast clips. And these aren't demos I made to look cool. These are the formats I'm rolling out for real clients because they sell without ever feeling like an ad. Somebody asks a question, somebody answers it honestly, and the product just ends up in the middle of the conversation. Watch this one.
Starting my own business. I kept saying I would do it when things slowed down, but that never happens.
So what is different now?
A friend sent me your program, the one about launching an AI agency. I went through it, and for the first time, starting felt like something I could actually do. I finally stopped making excuses.
And watch this one.
Grooming stuff, honestly. I used to just grab whatever was cheap.
What changed that?
I tried Glazed Midnight. It's a scented body formula with musk, sandalwood, and amber. The way it sits on your skin all day, I'd never felt that from a body product before.
Was it worth it?
Without question. Once I felt the difference, I couldn't go back.
Two completely different businesses, and every second of both came out of a super AI agent I built in Seedance 2.5. So today I'm showing you exactly what I did and how it works. From a website and a photo, all the way to scheduled posts. I'll even show you what all of this actually cost me because it's a lot less than what you'd think. And if you want this exact agent, I'll just give it to you for free when you use my link in the description. But more on that later. Now, real quick, here's why I'm the guy to show you this. I've been running my own social media marketing agency since 2011, and I still run it today. So instead of just telling you that, let me pull up my payment processor and refresh it live. There it is, a little over $5 million from our clients in the last 12 months. That's 4,707 payments from roughly 350 active clients, paying us about $1,000 a month each. I put this on screen every time because there are way too many people online teaching business who've never shown you one real number. And that's exactly why I'm picky about what I tell people to go sell. So let's get into it. Chapter 1, why this is the thing I'd be selling right now. There are 100 ways to make money online, and I've tried a lot of them. But making content with AI is the one I'd put my money on today. And here's why. It's brand new, and when people see it, they freak out. You show a business owner a video clone of themselves, and the first thing out of their mouth is, "How did you do that?" And here's the beautiful part. You don't have to choose between using it for yourself and selling it. You use it to grow your own pages, and you turn around and charge clients for the same exact thing. Not many things work both ways like that. Now let's talk about the new Seedance 2.5. A lot of the video models people use every day still cap you around 10 to 15 seconds a clip. Seedance 2.5 goes up to 30 seconds in one generation, and it can cut between different camera angles inside that one clip. Plus, it makes the audio at the same time as the video, so the people are actually talking. And you can feed it up to 30 images, 10 video clips, and 10 audio clips as references all in one pass. That last part is the whole reason this video exists. I can hand it a photo of a person, a storyboard frame, and a clip of somebody's voice, and it holds all three at once. Every video I'm about to show you is 25 seconds with sound made in one shot. Now here's where most people mess up. If you just want to make cool AI videos or you're doing film stuff, then sure, you can go use something like OpenArt or Higgsfield directly because, okay, it's great for one-off videos, but I'm running an agency, so I don't want to do this once. I want to do the same exact thing for every client I bring on without redoing the thinking every time. So I built a super AI agent inside HighLevel one time, and now I can point it at any business I want. And a super AI agent isn't a chatbot. It's something that can work for you. For example, the agent can read websites, write scripts, call other AI tools like OpenArt, check its own results, and keep going until the job's actually done. This also isn't my first one. I've built super agents that make AI tour videos for real estate, apartments, private jets, yachts, and even event venues. Take a look at a few of those. So it's the same idea, just a different job. Now, the agent I'm showing you today makes street interviews and podcast clips. Let's talk about how I built it with Chapter 2. The process I stole from real UGC creators. Here's what most people do wrong. They tell an AI to make me a video, it makes a video, and then they hate it. And now they've burned real credits on something they're throwing away. So I built my agent to follow the same exact process a real UGC creator follows. A real creator doesn't grab a camera first. They come up with the idea and the script and you approve it. Then they build a storyboard and you approve that too. And only then do they film. Because you don't want to generate a 25-second video and then find out you hated the script. So my agent has those same hard stops built into it. It's not allowed to generate a single image until I approve the scripts. And it's not allowed to touch video credits until I approve the boards. Now watch me build it. First, I go to HighLevel, click settings, go to labs, and turn on super agents. Then I go into Agent Studio and paste in one long build prompt. Let me read you the top of it. It says, build an agent called the AI UGC Street Interview and Podcast Director. It takes a service, a product, a website, or an approved photo of a person, and it turns that into 4 sales-focused street interview and podcast concepts with full scripts, storyboard grids, and final Seedance prompts. Then generates the video through OpenArt after I approve it. Now, I want to be straight with you about something. You can build any agent you want with one simple prompt. But if you want it to be good, you've got to put the time in. I went through several rounds of edits building this agent behind the scenes before it did exactly what I wanted, and that's the part nobody shows you. The good news is you can get the agent for free when you sign up with my HighLevel link in the description. Let me show you what it can do as I move into chapter 3. One website and one photo. My first prompt is on purpose the laziest prompt I could write. I'm going to clone myself and all I'm giving it is my website and one picture of me. No script, no direction, nothing. And watch it go to work. It reads my site, pulls the page title, finds my offer, figures out who my audience is, and locks me in as the host. All from one link and image. Then it comes back with 4 full concepts, and this is before it makes a single image. 2 street interviews and 2 podcast clips. Every one of them has a real question, a real answer, and the word count. One of them asks, what's one thing you've been putting off for way too long? And the answer is, starting my own business. I kept saying I'd do it when things slow down, but that never happens. That's a street interview that sells my program without ever sounding like it's selling anything. I like these, so I tell it to generate all 4 boards. And here's a look at it working. It's reading the OpenArt model list, mapping my headshot as the host reference, writing 4 board prompts, and firing them off. And over in OpenArt, the boards are actually generating. And here they are: a sidewalk interview, a plaza interview, a warm dark podcast, and a bright studio podcast from a website and a headshot. Now these are nice, but your first set might not be. So watch how easy this is to fix. I just type, these boards are nice, but give me 4 more unique ones. And it keeps my scripts and changes everything visual. New locations, new people, new lighting, new wardrobe. Take a look at these new boards. Now we have an indoor market, a golden hour rooftop, a warm loft podcast, a bright loft podcast, and I think this second set looks way more unique. So that's the one I'm going with. Now here's a pro tip that changes everything. Before I approve, I'm also giving it a short MP3 audio clip of my voice, so the videos will sound just like me. All I have to do is just upload that audio file into my HighLevel media library, grab the link, and paste it in along with my approval. So now it's not just my face, it's my voice too. And one thing to know before you try that, your voice clip has to be under 30 seconds or Seedance will reject it before it even starts. Then I hit generate, and the next thing it does is it starts writing the actual Seedance prompts. And these things are detailed. It's going through the reference priority, the exact role map, wardrobe, the lock script, beat by beat shot timing, and more. Now here's one honest note. Partway through, the agent stopped working because look, super agents are still in beta, so a long run can stall out on you. All I did was type, continue where you left off, and it picked right back up. No rebuilding, no starting over. Once the prompts were done, I want you to know the move that saves you real money. This was my first time using Seedance 2.5, so I didn't want to pay for 4 full 25-second videos yet. So I told it to generate just the first 5 seconds of all 4 videos first. If you're using my agent for the first time, do this. A 5-second test costs you a fraction of a full video, and it shows you the face, the voice, the set, and the camera before you commit to anything. About 10 minutes later, all 4 tests are done. So let's watch them.
What is something you never expected?
People say you need a tech background. What is one thing you have been putting off
for way too long.
What do most people get wrong when they try to launch an AI business?
All of these came out great, and they're following those concept boards almost exactly. So now I pick my two favorites and I tell it to generate the full 25-second versions of concept B and concept D. And here's what came back. This is the golden hour rooftop. I asked the question, she answers it, and there's a real laugh right in the middle of it.
Kept saying I would do it when things slowed down, but that never happens.
So what is different now?
A friend sent me your program, the one about launching an AI agency.
And this one's the Bright Loft podcast. That's me as the expert in a suit, in a room I've never been in, saying words I never even said.
They start with the tools before they have a business model. Step one is picking a niche you actually understand.
Now, are these perfect? No. This is my first test with this model, and I can already see things I'd fix. The rooftop one sits on one close up way too long, but that's a storyboard problem, not a model problem, and I'll show you exactly what I mean in a minute. And now the last step, and this is my favorite part. I don't download anything, I don't write a caption, I just tell it to schedule these as posts in my social planner, on my connected Facebook and Instagram, and let it pick the times. A couple of minutes later, both of them are sitting on the calendar as reels, captions already written, dates and times it picked itself. Now, the point of my super agent is being able to scale it across multiple clients, and one business proves nothing. So let's point it at something completely different. Chapter 4, the same agent, a totally different product. This one's for a friend of mine named Mikey. His brand is Glazed and he sells a men's body glaze. Different product, different customer, and absolutely nothing to do with what I sell. And I didn't rebuild a thing. I used the same AI super agent and I just gave it his website, a photo of the product, a photo of him, and a clip of his voice. Plus one small instruction, keep his hat on in every single shot. Then I hit generate, and then the super agent reads the site and comes back with 4 scripts. But look at this. The brand is spelled GLZD, no vowels. And the AI is going to read that out loud exactly the way it's written. It's about to butcher his brand name in a finished video. So this right here is the moment that saves you real money. I type one message, pronounce GLZD as glazed, and don't say glazed too many times. Now think about what happens if I skip straight to video instead. I would have gotten a finished 25-second clip with the brand name mispronounced the whole way through. That's wasted credits and a client asking why you sent them that. With that small correction, it comes back with 4 new scripts. Brand written out as glazed, laughs added where they actually land, and sentences connected. That's the entire reason the script stage exists. The new scripts are good, so I generate all 4 boards, and here's what I got back. A Brick Wall Street interview, a Golden Plaza, a Dark Library podcast, and a Bright Industrial podcast. His cap, his glasses, and the black jar sitting right there on the table. I think these boards look good, so I approved them for the Seedance prompts, and these are even tighter than the first batch. Concept B puts the jar in the guy's hands in the back half. Concept C puts it on the podcast table and saves the reference voice for the expert. And this time I'm skipping the 5-second test and going straight to the full videos. That's just where I'm at now, and that's only because I've already watched it work. And once I really trust this thing, I'll run the whole thing in one pass for a bunch of videos at a time. But if you're just starting, take it slow like I did the first time, because super agents are still in beta and this is a brand new process. Here's the street one.
What's something you'll happily pay more for?
Grooming stuff, honestly. I used to just grab whatever was cheap.
What changed that?
I tried Glazed Midnight. It's a scented body formula with musk, sandalwood, and amber. The way it sits on your skin all day.
I thought this one came out great, and I see real potential in this. Now, here's the podcast one.
And deodorant is enough. Is that actually true?
It keeps you clean. It doesn't make you memorable. Body wash rinses off. The scent is gone before you leave the house.
And I'm not a fan of this one at all, but here's what matters. It followed the storyboard exactly. So, it did its job. I'm the one who approved it. That's on me, not the model. And that's exactly why the board approval step is in there. So I told it to schedule the one I liked, and I wanted to test something, so I also asked it to set that same video up as an ad inside the ads manager. And here's the honest result. It created both social planner drafts, an Instagram reel, and a Facebook reel with the full caption and hashtags written, and it even explained why it picked those times. But the ad didn't get created because it doesn't have that capability yet. I'd bet money that changes before the end of the year, and when it does, I'll make the video and run the ad off the same prompt. But as of now, you can schedule your videos to post on almost any social media platform, but not on Ads Manager yet. By the way, if you want to run this exact setup yourself, it's 2 steps, and they go in this order. Step 1 is HighLevel. That's the platform this agent lives inside of, and it's the same platform I run my whole agency and all 350 clients on. It starts at $97 a month, and you can start it free with the first link in my description. And when you sign up with my link, you get my community automatically. This UGC agent is already sitting in there, built and tested, and you just load it into your account. Plus over 100 video lessons, my whole prompt library, and live Q&A calls, all free with the sign up. Step 2 is OpenArt. That's what actually runs Seedance 2.5 and generates the videos, so you need it for any of this to work. That's the second link in my description. And use my code SEAN at checkout for 15% off the Pro plan. I've only got a limited number of coupons, so get them while they last. All right, so now let's talk about the money. Chapter 5, what this costs and what you charge for it. Here's my actual credit history. Every concept board is 39 credits, every 5-second test is 300 credits, and a full 25-second video is 1,505 credits. Now here's what that is in real dollars. OpenArt's Pro plan is $56 a month for 24,000 credits. So a concept board costs about 9 cents. A 5-second test is about 70 cents, and a full 25-second video with people talking in it is about $3.50. So my whole first run, and that's 8 concept boards, 4 tests, and 2 finished videos, came out to about $10. In the Glaze run, the boards plus 2 finished videos came in under $8. Now let's build the offer, and I want to be clear about this. Seedance 2.5 costs more than the models I've used in my past videos, so the price has to go up with it. The minimum I'd sell this for is $1,000 a month for 12 videos. That's 3 a week. And here's what those 12 videos cost you to deliver. 12 boards and 12 videos is about 18,500 credits, and that all fits inside one $56 Pro plan. But you will have edits, so a conservative budget would be about $100 a month per client. So your average gross profit margin would still be around 90%. And with your super agent creating these kinds of videos for any client in any niche, you'll be able to scale and save time. And that right there is the whole reason I built this in HighLevel instead of just making videos in OpenArt. Because, okay, we can build something once and then point it at every single client you have. Now, coming up next, I've got a video where I take one super agent and point it at 6 completely different businesses: an apartment locator, a private jet charter, an event venue, a yacht, and an RV dealer, plus the real estate one that started the whole thing. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there. And if those videos aren't out yet, then like and subscribe so you'll be the first one to see it when they drop.